Hello there, we're back at the boat again. It's a lovely sunny day today, but anyway, we're inside. So what we're doing today is we're going to try and get this bulkhead put into place. In order to place that, we have to put the shower tray, at least dry fit it in place anyway, just to get that in. Now the bulkhead was supposed to have been up here on this line here, but unfortunately that put the shower waste right over the steel support for the floor. So we've had to bring the bulkhead back a little bit. It's no big deal, we get a little bit more space in the bedroom, which is always good. So bring this forward a little bit so the shower waste can sit into this area here, and that puts the bulkhead just here. So on the bulkhead we've got to do the pocket screws to fasten it into place, and then we can sort out the pipe work from the shower tray. That'll be coming up on this side here, and that will go to the gulper, and then from the gulper we need to put a skin fitting through the hull. So right, let's see how we get on. See you later. Right, hello. We've come to that time where we need to drill some holes in the outside of the boat. It's a little bit scary, but here we go. Right, so to measure these out, through hole needs to be 10 inches above the water line. So the water line is, where's my mark gone? There it is. Water line is there or thereabouts. 10 inches puts us just at the top of this lip here, which obviously we can't put the through hole fitting on that, so we'll come a couple of inches just above that, and that's where the through hole is going to be. On this boat we've got lowered gunnels, which means that the water line is closer to the top of the gunnel than on most boats. So that's the reason why these through hole fittings are up on the gunnel section, not below on the hull. So right, let's go for it. Okay, we'll go and see where we're going now. Pop a hole through that's this size. Now looking at the step drill, I'd say we need to go down to about the 3rd ring on that. So let's open that up now and see how we go. Right, okay, we are back again. So we've done the pipe work now for the shower. So I'll just move this panel out of the way. I'll just move this so that no bits fell down there. Okay, so this is the waste from the shower. It's a standard shower waste, and then it goes to the pipe. Stainless steel clip on there, and that goes down and through and pops out of the floor on the other side over there. That will be underneath the bench in the back cabin, and we'll locate the gulper pump in that area too. And then the pipe will come back through here, and the through hole will go in there, and then the pipe will loop and come back to there. So that's how the shower is going to be fitted. Yeah, so that's it. So what we'll do is we'll bob outside and go and put this in. Hello again. Right, okay. I'll just do a quick run through. We haven't got footage of doing all of the work. Just yeah, it's a bit limited in space. But anyway, so the shower tray. The shower waste comes up through this pipe, so this will go to the gulper pump, and the gulper pump will be in this area here, just underneath the bench, and then the pipe work goes back out through to the other side, and back through and out through the hole, through that fitting there. So we've put the shower tray in place. So this is bedded onto a nice thick bed of silicone adhesive. That's all done. The shower tray waste is connected and all done. The only thing left to do that is just to test it a little bit, but I can't do that until the pump's in place. So that will have to wait for a little while. It's not actually a blue tray, it is a white tray, it's just got a film on it, so don't panic. We've put this bulkhead in place, so this is now fixed, and this is the place where it will be. Still got to decide on that bulkhead yet, whether we move that a little bit further forward, just to account for this bulkhead moving forward. We may or may not do yet, depends how things pan out and how things look once we've got some more bits in here. But yeah, that's kind of what we got done today. I'm quite pleased with that, because the shower tray it's quite a heavy shower tray, and trying to position it and get it just in the right place is difficult. So I've had cameraman Stuart with me today, give me a hand, so thank you, Stuart. Right, I think that's about all for today. Yeah, we'll see you next week.